A black and white photo often feels distant, almost as if the moment inside it cannot fully speak. When color returns, the scene gains warmth again. This tutorial guides you through a clear way to bring color back into your older photos inside Affinity Free, even if the color tools look confusing at first. Begin by opening your photo inside the Pixel tool. The layout may feel busy, yet the important part sits right in the layer panel. Select your photo layer so Affinity knows which picture should receive the color. Then look toward to the top bar where the filter sits. The Colorize feature hides inside that menu and it only becomes active after a small setup step. Many users open the menu and wonder why the option seems unavailable. So it helps to prepare the program before working on your first image. The activation happens inside the settings window. Move to the top bar and open settings. A new panel fills the screen. On the left side, choose Machine Learning Models. The right side shows a list of optional tools that Affinity can download. These tools run directly on your device and nothing leaves your computer. Look for the section named Colorization. The toggle next to it tells you whether the model is installed. If the toggle is gray, press it once and let the download finish. The model becomes active when the toggle switch is on in the blue color. However, this is a feature that is accessible only if you are using a Canva paid plan. Once the model is ready, return to your photo. Open the filters menu again and choose the colorize option. A new window appears. At first, the picture may not show any changes. Activate the mirror view so the screen places the original image on one side and the colorized version beside it. The view helps you adjust the look without guessing. Move the saturation slider slowly until the colors feel believable. Too much saturation can make an older photo look artificial, yet a gentle boost brings life back into faces, clothes, and backgrounds. The temperature slider shifts the overall tone of the picture. A warm tone adds softness, while cooler tone creates a more natural look. Each photo responds differently, so trust the version that feels more natural to your eyes. When the image looks close to what you want, apply the effect. The picture now carries restored color, yet you can refine it even more. So make the picture active, then go to Pixel in the top menu. Here, select filter and under this section, find a color option. Here, you can find auto adjust and auto contrast options. These tools will automatically do small changes to your pictures to look cleaner and more balanced result. Sharpening tools can also help older photos because film images sometimes lose details when scanned. After the adjustments feels right, develop the image. The scene now holds color again, and the moment in the photo stands closer to how it once looked. With this method, you gain steady control over the entire process inside Affinity 3, from activation to final color.